Okay, welcome back. Now we'll take a look at doing a transaction where we apply some discounts to the transaction detail items in the shopping cart. Let's create a new transaction. And let's go ahead and let's start off with a non-CHEA member this time. So as far as we know, this person, what's your name, sir? Larry. Okay. And what's your phone number? And your address. Alright, so as far as we know, Larry is not a CHEA member, and he wants to purchase some products. So we'll go ahead, and he says he wants a book bag, and he wants the Encyclopedia of Biblical Truths. But during the transaction, Larry decides, hey, you know what? I want to support CHEA. I want to become a CHEA member. So we'll come down here to member fee, and we will add the $40 brand new member and apply it to the shopping cart, which is applied automatically. And now Larry is still not a member, but we're going to change him to be a CHEA member temp, so that the office staff will manually change him and assign him a proper number at a later date. But for the store, we're going to go ahead and change him to be a CHEA member temp, so that his discount will be applied to this transaction. So now he's a new member. His membership discount is applied to his book bag and his encyclopedia. But let's say we're offering some kind of additional percentage on just the Encyclopedia of Biblical Truths, and we want to apply a discount to just that item. We'll select it, and then we'll choose Edit, which will bring up our transaction detail edit form. Now there's a couple of different ways to actually perform a discount on an item. We can choose to enter the dollar amount within the flex price as a negative value. So let's say we want to offer $4.79 off. We would say negative $4.79. And as you can see, the extended price is $30 because we took $4.70 off of the product price. Now to note, all of these discounts, the discount here and the flex price with the negative, will always be taken off of the product price itself. So if we apply, let's say, a discount percentage of 10%, it's taken off of the product price. And so if we add a quantity of, let's say, 2, we'd have 62.62, since the product price excuse me, received a discount of $3.48, and we just multiplied the extended price twice. Okay, we'll click Save and Exit, and now our actual discount is showed to the encyclopedia. Now let's go ahead and take payment, and we'll say Larry's paying cash, and we'll say he gave us $110. So we need to give him back $2.54 in change. Once that's been completed, we click on Print Receipt. The receipt is generated, and we just print the receipt out. Once the receipt is printed, we close the receipt, and then we click on Save and Exit. Now one thing to note here is if we clicked on this X button in the upper right hand corner just to close the form, and we notice that it has Save and Exit here, it would ask us, are you sure you want to delete this transaction? Because really we need to click on Save and Exit to make sure to close the transaction properly. So just in case we went through and want to close this transaction without saving it, we clicked on the X, it would want to prompt us to delete the transaction. In this case, we're going to click cancel. Now the same thing can be applied if we just click on void sale. It will bring this up as well. But we want to click cancel, and we want to save and exit. And that is how we perform discounts for each individual item.